Dateline April the 10th, 2009, Isle of Palm, South Carolina. Directly on the beach in front of 3302 Palm Boulevard, a DNR 4-place Centurian plane made an emergency landing when it ran out of fuel, carrying 3 passengers on an excursion to observe sea turtle activity off the coast. It landed safely and received fuel to attempt a beach takeoff. The passengers were removed from the plane in order to make it lighter for the takeoff. The Coast Guard was on hand, both in the air and in the sea, in case there is an emergency when the plane attempts to lift off. The beach was cleared for approximately 1 mile to ensure plenty of space for the takeoff. The plane taxied down the beach with a police escort to begin the takeoff attempt into the wind. Because of the strong wind, it only took a few hundred feet to lift off. The plane turned right immediately to head to the Mount Pleasant Municipal Airport for refueling.